The first e-bike conversion kit is Different Electric System. It is a controller with SM connector, but the connector of the motor is waterproof. This is the twist throttle with the power indicator, and this is a switch. This is matched e-brake lever. This is kit 8 magnetic points assistance sensor. There are a total of 8 magnetic points on it. Front light. This kit is KT electric system. The motor cable of the controller is also the waterproof connector. The main difference between KT kits and the Li-Sui kits is the system and the display. KT system can match both LCD and LED display. Many parameters can be set through display. For example, you can set the parameters through display directly if you need to replace another PAS. The LCD display also can adjust speed limit, modify the wheel diameter, and etc. This brake lever is longer than another one. It has added non-slip mat to the handlebar for a better riding experience. Different from the twist throttle with power indicator, this kit is matched with a small sub-throttle.